Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, today I'm in London. This video is not in London. I'll be passing over to my mummy and my auntie Alicia. Right, this video is made by them and not made by me, so everything from this point onwards, except for the outro, is made by them. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
Oh, is it a driverless train? Yeah. It's a driverless train. Is it? Yeah. It's like our DLR. It's no, And do you want to sit at the front? It's like being on a DLR at home. Oh, Christian will really love this. Not that you can see it because it's too bright in here and it's too dark out there. There we go.
Prossima stazione San Marco. Cambiate qui per linea M1. The next station is San Marco. Change here for metro line 1.
Christian, I hope you know what you've done to me. You've made me excited about trains. Stop, Alicia. There's only one stop.
Siamo a San Marco. Capolinea. Invitiamo a scendere e a non lasciare oggetti personali sul treno. This is San
Right, go
Marco.
then.
This train terminates here. Please leave the train and take your personal belongings with you.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this special video. We will have these every now and again. Thanks for watching. Bye!